Speed, yes. Hunger has it. Food. Nudo! Like, whoa! Ta eats everything!
Speaking of space, look at the stars of the show, Little Sam and Cat. Well, my stomach not happy.
Hey there, Earthlings! I'm in space, and I'm eating spaghetti out of a tube, and meatballs out of another tube.
And I just vomited on my spacesuit.
And back to Earth you go. In the show. Congratulations, Christina from Middletown, Connecticut. Your art was picked for the freezer frame. Ugh, too much spinning. Let's watch the show while I go throw up. Don't take it per-
And how? Huh?